In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. So here is an example of what I'm talking about. I'll just play the clip. How you can send a Google Docs document to email. So what you need to do is open up the Google document. So as you can see, we've got subtitles on this clip and they're very easily readable and they're automatically added through DaVinci Resolve. So let me show you how you can do it. Now what you need to do is we first need to download a free plugin. This is very easy and simple to use. So if you go to Google and just type in auto subs and then scroll down, you're looking for this one here by Tom Maroney. So go ahead and click on auto subs. The website will look something like this. We can go ahead and download auto subs completely for free and use it in DaVinci Resolve. So download the installation wizard and then go ahead and run it. Then you can go through and install this. As you can see, I've already got it installed, but it is a very simple installation wizard, which you can get installed within 30 seconds. Now, once you've got auto subs installed, go ahead and open back up DaVinci Resolve and we can go ahead and import our clip. Now, what I would do first before you start editing or importing your clip, go to Workspace, then go to Scripts and just make sure you've got auto subs here enabled. If not, you may want to restart your computer and reopen up DaVinci Resolve. If you can see it, it means you've got it installed correctly. You may or may not have already your clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you do, you can just go and open up the project. I'm just going to add a video or a tutorial video just for this example. So go ahead and drag on your video. Now what we need to do is we need to first go ahead and create the text layer, and then we can go ahead and get the program to automatically add the subtitles using our text layer that we just added. So if you come to Toolbox here and you go to search, you can type in text and you want to drag on here text plus. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and edit and customize your text layer. So because it's white on white, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to text and then we'll click on video, title, and this is in the inspector button, by the way. We can then go to shading and I'm going to select shading element number 2 and enable this red outline, and that's going to enable the stroke, which is going to make the subtitles easier to read. And this is probably what you're used to when you see subtitles on other videos. We can then scroll down and just increase the thickness and change the color down here. So I'm just going to change the color of the stroke to black. Now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and change the position of this subtitle and also the size as well. Now you will need to play around with this. It depends on your clip and what kind of theme or style you're going for. So you can go ahead and change the font as well, but I'm just going to keep it simple and show you the basics. So we'll go to settings in the top right and I can change the zoom by changing the y-axis. And we want to come to position and obviously drag the subtitle to the position we want it to be. For me, that's going to be at the bottom of this page. So now we've got these subtitles in the correct place. What we need to do is now drag this text plus layer into the media pool. So click on your media pool, open it and drag on this text plus layer. Now we've done that, we can go ahead and delete the text plus layer from the timeline. Next we can go to Workspace, we can go to Scripts and then auto subs. Then you'll get to a window which looks like this. Just make sure that it says connected. You can then choose the track you want it to create subtitles from. So that is going to be audio track 1 for me. Then for the output track, click add to new track. And then for the template, you're going to choose the text plus template that you just created, which will be in the media pool. Then you can click start transcription and it's going to then transcribe your video. It will go to 100%. Now that has completed, we can now go ahead and click add to timeline. Then you'll see your subtitles appear in the timeline in whatever style or font you added to your text plus layer. And you can just go ahead and make sure that everything's good to go and everything is working. You can go ahead and scroll up and edit any individual text box that you need by clicking on it, so you can make changes if necessary. Now let's just go ahead and play this and make sure it's working. How you can send a Google Docs document to email. So as you can see, that is working fine and we've added automatic subtitles to DaVinci Resolve. Please do leave a like and comment if this was helpful.